Hello, I'm going to talk about manufacturing of spark plugs. But first of all, let's explain what is spark plug and why do we need it. The spark plug is one of the main components in the ignition system. Without this part, we cannot run vehicles because it creates the spark plug needed for the ignition of the fuel. The first step is to make the spark plug insulators. They are a mixture of aluminium, ceramic powder and other ingredients and are shaped by a grinding wheel. These ceramic insulators are quite fragile and need to be baked in order to harden, which takes up to 24 hours. While the insulators are in the kiln, tools ram steel through shaped cavities in order to create shells, which are the spark plug casings. More tooling contours the spark plug shells into its final form. Then a nickel wire unwinds overhead and is fused to the shell. This wire will serve as a spark plug ground electrode. The ceramic insulators are ready to be brushed by a rubber wheel that coats them with a glaze as a protective finish. Machines install central electrodes in the insulators and black powder funnels into them to fill the space around the electrodes. The powder is a mix of glass and metal. Grippers then insert terminal studs into the insulator. The stud will act as an electrical connection to the central electrode. The insulators go into an oven where the black powder melts to seal stud and central electrodes inside the insulator cavity. Robots install the insulators into the shell, then the side electrodes is bended toward the central one. The space between them will contain the spark. So, this complex manufacturing process makes it possible for the ignition system to operate properly.